Here I have KARBONN Aura, and let me show you how to check IMEI and how to find serial number on the following device. At the very beginning, let me show you how to easily find the IMEI. Let's use the phone's dialer and let's use the secret code. *pound 06 pound, and as you can see, IMEI just pops up. Tap OK to confirm it. Now let me show you how to do it by using settings. Let's use apps icon, scroll down, choose here settings, scroll down again, choose about phone, select status, and here you've got information about serial number and also Bluetooth address, Wi-Fi MAC address, IP address, and you can tap IMEI information to read the following numbers. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.